Welcome back. In this lesson, I want to quickly discuss forks and forking, and I promise to be very careful with my pronunciation. What are forks, and why can forking be used to copy one type of cryptocurrency to create an entirely new type of cryptocurrency? So, as you know, you can download the Bitcoin software in order to run your own node, and you don't need anyone's prior approval or permission to do so. The software is open source and available to anybody who wants a copy. So, what is stopping you from taking the Bitcoin node software? But instead of you joining the Bitcoin network as a miner, you set up your own network of miners with the purpose of releasing your own version of Bitcoin under a different name. After all, you've got the software to do it, and nobody can stop you. Well, in fact, there is nothing stopping you from doing this, as long as you're able to complete the necessary technical tasks involved and recruit enough miners to form a network of nodes in order to process your transactions. If you did do that, you wouldn't be the first person to do so. Cloning an existing blockchain-based cryptocurrency in this way and re-releasing it is called forking. And there are a number of forks of existing cryptocurrencies in existence today, such as Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, and Ethereum Classic. In fairness, forks usually try to differentiate themselves from the original crypto application that they're a copy of. Usually forks occur when different parts of the development community which support the original cryptocurrency disagree on future technical developments, and one party throws its toys out the pram and decides to go its own way and recreate a new version of the project. It's fair to say that most Bitcoin and Ethereum forks have failed to rival the success of the original projects they were based on. Forking established cryptocurrencies is less popular today than it was back in 2017 and 2018. Now you tend to see entirely new cryptocurrencies created as opposed to people simply cloning existing ones. The term forking has another connotation as well, but this is to do with smart contracts. Remember we said that smart contracts are written to the blockchain, and everything on the blockchain is public information. So if you know the blockchain address of a smart contract, then you can read that contract's code via a Block Explorer website. And here is a copy of such a contract. So when someone releases a new smart contract that gains popularity in the crypto community, what we see happening is lots of people cloning that contract and adapting it in small or large ways and re-releasing it as a product of their own. This is also called forking, and it is currently common with decentralized finance applications, or DeFi apps as they're known for short. DeFi apps are basically computerized financial tools that allow you to do certain things with your cryptos, such as automatically converting them from one currency to another, lending them to other people in exchange for interest payments, or investing them for passive income. DeFi apps are the current hottest thing in crypto, and we will look at them in depth later on in the section on investing. But when you hear about people forking a DeFi application, all they mean is that someone has copied a set of smart contracts from a project, edited them in some way, and re-released them as a new version of that project. So when you hear the term forking, just think of it as copying somebody else's project. Okay, well that's it for this lesson. As usual, please re-review the lesson if anything's unclear, or feel free to send me a question. When you're ready, I'll meet you in the next lesson, but until then, thanks for your time. Bye-bye.